कनिका, हरियाणा में कहाँ से हो आप?
सर मैं हरियाणा में रेवाड़ी से हूँ।
यस कनिका, अच्छा रिवाड़ी से हो आप? ओके ओके बेटा।
सर
बेटा अब यही कोशिश करेंगे कि जैसे भी आपने जैसे 12th पास कर लिया है क्या, तो आप अभी बीएससी करना चाहते हैं आप?
यस सर।
ओके, आपने बीएससी क्यों चुना है? यानी कोई स्पेसिफिक रीजन है बेटा बीएससी आप चाहते हो करना?
ये सर मैं करना चाहती हूँ बीएससी।
अच्छा बीएससी करना चाहते हो, ठीक है। सो दे आर वेरी गुड ऑप्शंस विद दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड वील डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू हेल्प यू कनिका। और ये बेटे जो अभी लॉकडाउन पीरियड चल रहा है या कहते हैं ना कोविड-19 सिचुएशन है, उससे घबराना नहीं है आपको। आपका 12th कंप्लीट हो गया, आपको कोशिश करना है कि सीधा आप अपना ग्रेजुएशन के लिए अभी आगे करें, सो दैट और डेफिनेटली आफ्टर 3 years यू विल फाइंड द जॉब सिचुएशन बी वेरी गुड, थिंग्स विल इम्प्रूव। और वैसे भी ये साल थोड़ा ठीक नहीं जाएगा कंट्री की इकोनॉमी के लिए, पर उसके बाद में एवरीथिंग विल बी ओके, बिकॉज जनवरी फरवरी में आपके पास वैक्सीन भी आ जाएगी। सो वो घबराने की बात नहीं है आपको बेटा। और बेटे करेंगे, आपके फादर क्या काम करते हैं रेवाड़ी में?
मेरे फादर की शॉप है कपड़ों की।
ओ गुड, वेरी गुड। अभी कैसा बिजनेस कैसे चल रहा है अभी?
सर अभी तो सही चल रहा है और मेरी मम्मा डॉक्टर है, मतलब हॉस्पिटल में।
अच्छा, हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर हैं?
सर गायनी
अच्छा कौन?
डॉक्टर है।
अच्छा वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी वेरी गुड। सो गॉड ब्लेस यू कनिका। और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा मिसेस रेखा तिवारी से, जो हमारी इस डायरेक्ट एडमिशन ग्रुप की जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, आपसे बात करेंगी और आपको बेस्ट कॉलेज ऑप्शंस देंगे आपकी आगे पढ़ाई के लिए। सो रेखा जी, वेरी गुड इवनिंग, प्लीज हेल्प कनिका इन फाइंडिंग द गुड कॉलेज फॉर हर बीएससी प्रोग्राम।
Thank you, Manchanda ji. So, Kanika, yeah, Kanika, good evening to you, Bachi. You have joined the session just now. So, it's good to understand your mama is a doctor, and during this era, all the doctors are doing amazing work, right? So, we really have high regards for anybody who belongs to medical field, or let's say, you know, the other norms which are helping the entire society during COVID era. So, Kanika, now it's important, beta, we need to understand your profile, okay? So, I've shared with Ronak also. So, you just note down few important things. Number one, your academic credentials. When I say academic credentials, your 10th and 12th scores. That is name of the institution, year of passing, your scores, okay? Number two, your extracurricular activities or achievements. So do share with us if in case you have any certification, it might be your music, your dance, your debate, your sports, anything, okay? Number three, your family and your siblings, that is your parents and your brother sisters. And number four, your aspirations. So Kanika, what you really want to achieve. It's not about doing only BSc, but we do have some goals in life, right? कि मुझे ये बनना है और उस बनने के लिए मुझे ये करना है, राइट? सिर्फ करता चलूं या करती चलूं और फिर मैं कुछ बन जाऊं, तो वो तो फोकस गोल नहीं हुआ ना. We have to have some determination and then we have to work towards our determined goal, okay? So regarding this, Ronak, I shared with you earlier, so please go ahead. And Pratik and Dakshita, please note down each and every aspect, okay?
For sure, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Ronak, please tell
Hello.
us.
Yes, ma'am. First point, academic credentials. And ma'am, till 10th, I studied in a private school, Sona Modern Public School, which is in Devli Road, Kanpur. And I have did my 11th and 12th from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Masjid Moor. And ma'am, about extracurricular activities, I have got certificates in writing competitions, especially. Hello.
Yes, Ronak, please go ahead. We are listening to it.
Yes, ma'am, about my family and siblings. I am living with my parents, mother and father, and I have only one sister. Who she is studying in third standard. And my aspiration is, ma'am, to do to acquire a best post in software companies like Infosys, Microsoft, and many else.
Okay, so you want to reach to Infosys and Microsoft and the leading companies in software
Like
technology. So,
software technology. Yes, ma'am.
okay, so you are focusing for which program, Bache?
Hello,
You're focusing for which program?
ma'am. BTech, CSC, Computer Software Engineering.
Okay, perfectly okay. Beta, but you haven't told me your scores in 10th and 12th.
Yes, ma'am. In 10th, I acquired 89.2 percentage, and in 12th class PCM, I acquired 94.3 percentage.
94 point?
3 percentage, 3.
That's
In
perfectly
PCM.
great. Okay, perfectly okay. That I really congratulate you, Ronak, for your good scores.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
PCM 94.3 is pretty good. And now, Ronak, your father and mother, they're engaged in what profession?
My mother is a housewife, and my father is doing job in healthcare services.
In healthcare services. Perfectly okay. And in fact, during this time, your father must be going actively, right? And it's important you take good care of your father.
Yes, ma'am.
Healthcare
Yes, sure.
sector. Perfectly. And when you say healthcare sector, where exactly in Delhi?
In Nehru Place, but his office has shifted now in Okhla.
Okay, perfectly okay. So now what is important, Ronak, will be coming to you. Now, Kanika, about you, your 10th and 12th, please tell us the scores. Kanika, Kanika, please unmute yourself, beta, and then start speaking. Kanika, your 10th and 12th scores, bache. Dakshita, just check what is problem with Kanika.
Kanika?
She's
Ma'am,
not in
I
the.
think she left the meeting. Yes, ma'am. I'll just give her a call.
Okay, okay. So Pratik, what is important now? Ronak is looking forward for BTech programs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So Pratik, in the meantime, you tell Ronak about the colleges, what he can, really move forward.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Ronak, now you've gone to Delhi, beta, let me understand. What exactly are the zone where you're focusing, for engineering? Delhi NCR, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Chandigarh, where exactly?
Ma'am, if possible, my main focus is in Delhi.
Delhi NCR, perfectly okay. So Delhi NCR, okay. So Ronak, have you applied in any of the colleges on your own?
No, ma'am. Actually, I have applied for JE exam.
And what was your result in the Jan when you appeared for the JE?
Ma'am, it was quite bad.
Quite bad. How bad? How exactly? Like what was the performance then?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't go any coaching or any test series. That's why it has been bad. And, ma'am, it is below 50 percentile.
Below 50 percentile. So Ronak, and 12th you have performed really very well. How is this?
Ma'am, because of the duration that I have from Jan to April, March.
No, no. What I'm telling is 12th you have performed really well. So you went
Yes,
to
ma'am.
some coaching, some tuition, something like that?
Yes, ma'am. For only 12 CBSE board exams, not for JE. I went for coaching.
Okay, perfectly okay. So Ronak, Delhi NCR, if it is focused, so Pratik, please tell him Delhi NCR colleges, make him write, and then we can see what exactly is, good for him.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay. So Ronak, what I suggest is just pen down all the colleges. What I'm saying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can write SRM, Modi Nagar, and Sonipat.
SR, SRM, Modi Nagar, and Sonipat.
Okay. Ansal
Okay, sir.
University, Gurugram. Ansal University, Gurugram.
1 second, sir. Ansal University,
Gurugram.
Gurugram.
Amity University, Noida. Okay.
Yes, sir. Amity
Uh,
University, Noida.
Galgotia University, Noida.
Roshni University, Noida.
BNET University, BENNETT University, BNET University.
One second. BNet University.
And Noida International University,
BNet University at which place?
Delhi NCR में ही आती है.
Delhi. Okay.
Noida International University,
Noida International University.
and you can also include GNIT, Greater Noida Institute of Technology. It comes under IP University.
One GNIT, Greater Noida Institute of Technology.
Okay, it comes under IP University. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ma'am, yeah, these are all the Delhi NCR colleges.
Okay, Prateek. Now, Ronak, what is important? You must have asked your dad and you must have discussed, Bache. Engineering is such a program that you have financial variation, you know. In the sense, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
do engineering with a annual fees of 1 to 1.5 lakh. You can do your engineering with your expenses 3 to 4 lakh also in a year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, रौनक अभी आप बहुत छोटे, क्या एज है बेटा आपकी? 18 years?
Yes, ma'am. 18 years.
ओके, सो रौनक आपने कभी सोचा है कि आपको एग्जैक्टली कहाँ से करना है? आपको कुछ नाम बताए गए हैं जहाँ से आप अपनी इंजीनियरिंग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have thought about my first priority is to be in government institute of technology, in government and IT or IIT.
ओके,
But in hello,
बताइए.
ma'am, your voice is breaking. You're not audible.
Ronak, you wanted to share something where exactly you want to get admission?
Yes, ma'am. In private university, I can take admission, but there matters the fee structure that the private colleges have, which is very high, and it is unaffordable by us.
ओके, सो रौनक IIT दिल्ली NIITs आप बोल रहे हैं, उसके लिए तो बेटा आपके मेंस के जो एग्जाम है वो ही आपका क्राइटेरिया है, राइट? बिकॉज
Yes,
वी आर
ma'am.
नॉट
Yes,
गोइंग
ma'am.
any government setup, any government institution,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? So it's only going to be the private universities. Now, important is, in case you can get into government through merit, it is really good for you, no doubting that. But ultimately, everybody is not able to crack IITs and NIITs. So there has to be a backup plan. You know, you cannot waste your year, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And you don't know the second attempt is going to be when.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in this regard, Pratik has shared some list. So, in case you have to discuss with your father in this scenario, right? Okay, these are the options. And in this one college, what Pratik has mentioned, GNIT, it's in Greater Noida. It comes under Indian University. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ronak, are you able to get my words?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, IP University is a Delhi State Government University, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is one of the colleges which is affiliated to Greater, this is Indraprasth University, okay? So important is parents, because every college has got a different financial component, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So just hold on, I'll be coming to you and then I can get you some queries. Dakshita has Kanika joined?
Ma'am, Kanika joined.
Yes, ma'am. Kanika is here. Kanika,
Okay.
can you please put your mic on unmute?
Kanika?
Ma'am, she mentioned that she was having some network issues.
No worries. Dakshita, ask her to share the details what I've guided her earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Dakshita, what happened?
Ma'am, she is here. Kanika, are you able to hear me? Kanika? Kanika, can you please unmute?
ma'am.
Yes. Please share the
ma'am.
details which ma'am asked you to share. Kanika? Kanika, am I audible? Ma'am, I think she's having some network issues. So if
Dakshita,
she's
you do
not
one
able
thing.
to,
Dakshita, you do one thing. She's
Yes.
looking for BSc, right? BSc in
Yes.
what stream?
Ma'am, she hasn't shared that. Should I share the colleges with her?
Yeah,
Over
yeah,
call?
definitely. You share the colleges with her, and then you can
Okay, ma'am.
explain the process to both of them.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am, but Kanika is not in the session, I guess. Kanika is not in the session.
Pratik, I believe you explained Ronak the process. He's for BTech program.
Yes, ma'am.
So except writing skills, everything will be there. Writing skills and case studies need not be there in BTech program.
Okay.
Rest, everything will be there. Explained to Ronak so that at least we can utilize time, right?
Okay,
And
okay.
Ronak can be guided accordingly.
Okay. So, Ronak, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are
That's
audible.
great. That's great, Ronak. So, just, note down, pen down all the steps I'm going to, mention.
Yes.
Okay. It will help you
Okay.
if you go forward with us in registration process. So, yeah. Step number 1 is document verification. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we verify all the documents you share with us, including your extracurricular activity certificates, before sending it to any university or college. Okay.
Okay.
Step number 2 is 2 rounds of mock interviews. Okay, Ronak. See, Ronak,
Okay, sir.
when we are talking about profile-based admissions, so many universities conduct PI rounds and group discussions. So maybe you are good in oratory, maybe you are good in communication skills. But उस 20 minutes में आपको क्या बोलना है, किस यूनिवर्सिटीज के लिए कितना बोलना है, इसके लिए सेपरेट पैनल है जो मॉक इंटरव्यूज देता है और आपको ग्रूम करता है, आपको बताता है कि आपको इंटरव्यू को टैकल कैसे करना है, राइट?
Okay.
Two letter of recommendations. Step number 3.